inside a washing machine. Emergency services in East China's Zhejiang province received a call from a woman claiming her daughter was trapped after she climbed into it out of curiosity. Firefighters arrived at the family home and decided to use an electric saw to cut open the washing machine. To protect the girl from the sparks produced in the process of cutting, her mother covered her with a thick coat. She was pulled out of the washing machine 15 minutes later. According to reports, she was not seriously injured, but did suffer a few scratches.